Hi Stampers! Today I'm going to show you a beautiful holiday card using the Merriest Moments bundle. And that is in the mini catalog, and that is on page 23. So there is the stamp set, and then there are the matching dies. So there are all those. Okay, let's get started. And this catalog is good until January 4th. So the first thing I'm going to do is I've got white cardstock, and that is my base. And we're just going to take and fold that right in half, using our bone folder to get a nice crisp crease on that. Okay. Now, with this die, we're going to take this piece and we're going to use our cut and emboss machine, and we're going to die cut that out. So, and I've kind of done that ahead of time. So we've did that, and so this is what we've got. So now there is a folder that matches it. So when you have this, you just take this, and sometimes it just takes a little bit for me to figure out which way it goes. Oh, let's see here. Oh, that's not it. There we go. Okay, so you take that, and that will line up perfectly. And then just take this, run this through your machine, and this is what you get. So all of the leaves are all textured. It has a nice little frame around the center. So we've got that piece. Now, in also your folder with your dies, you have this piece. And you're just going to take that and cut that out of a white piece. So just like that. And this is what you get. So you've got that piece there. So what I'm going to do, so we're just going to, and this will, again, this will line up. It'll line up perfectly. So I'm just going to take dimensionals, and I'm going to put a few on the back. And this is a quick, easy card, and it's so beautiful. It's so, so pretty. Okay, and I got to hold it up here so I can see to get it lined up, and it lines up perfectly. There you go. So got that. And then out of, again, the dies, there is a rectangle, and that fits in there perfectly. So I've cut that out, and I'm using the Merriest Moments stamp set. And because this is a photopolymer, I am going to use my piercing mat. So we've got that. Gonna just flip this over. Gonna use dimensionals again. Using a lot of dimensionals on this, but it just makes this card look so much prettier. Okay, so we've got those all off. And again, just come back, go right there in the center. So we've got that popped up there. Now I took Shaded Spruce cardstock, and I used the brick folder, And so just going to put some adhesive on that, putting that onto my white cardstock. Again, going to flip this one over, and I'm going to put some dimensionals on it. Dimensionals just make everything just pop up, and it looks so neat. And like I said, this is in the Holiday Mini catalog, and this is available until January 4th. And the thing is, though, you do want to order soon, because if there is a die, sometimes they will get to the point, if it's too close to the end of the season or the holiday or the catalog, they won't ship it. So it's like there is that. Then I took iridescent pearls. So that's those. And I'm just using my Take My Pick tool. Just putting a few kind of all over. Whoop. That one didn't come off. I think I have too much stuff on there. It's sticking to it too much. Like I said, I'm just putting them kind of all over. These are just so pretty. I love these. And you think they're like the pearls, but they got an iridescence to them. So that just makes them so much shimmery. With your Take Your Pick tool, they just come off so nice. You kind of can put them wherever you want. I think I got it. So here is your card. And see with those little pearls all over, they just kind of add. But this is such, and then with all the dimension, see how that's so neat, how that pops that all up. So again, this is the Merriest Moments bundle. Actually, you have to buy the stamp set and the dies separately. And this is in the Holiday Mini catalog on page 23. So I will have a list of everything that I use on my blog with all the numbers, so it's easy. If you want to order, you can just click on the item and it'll take you right to my store. But thank you for joining me, and hope you like the holiday card. And like I said, it's just really easy, but it looks so pretty how with all the dimensions popped up and then the little pearls. But thank you for joining me today for making this holiday card, and we'll see you back soon. Thank you.